Hi everyone and welcome. We'll show you today how to properly scrub before an IR procedure. First, just wash your hands with soap and water for about 30 seconds. Just do a general wash. The first scrub of the day, you need to thoroughly scrub your hands and your wrists and arms before a case. Before you begin, you have to remove all jewelry from your hands and wrists. That's very important that you do that first. Walk up to one of these sinks and you'll notice you can use your knee to turn this on. So we're going to assume I already washed my hands for 30 seconds. And we use this antimicrobial brush. It has a nail pick in it as well. Throw this in the sink for now. So as the water is running, first use the brush and just kind of get your hands soapy. Use this nail pick and you want to get under your nails with the pick. The purpose for this is to rid your undernail of any germs and bacteria. Okay, next, after dropping that in, use the scrub brush and scrub up to your elbows. Do this for about 3 to 5 minutes based on your institution's policies. To follow that outpatient or hospital policy on that. Use this coarse part to get your fingernails again. And this has chlorhexidine in it, which we've used before in chloropreps as well. It's been 3 minutes, so I'm going to drop this into the sink and rinse off. Rinse from your elbow down, like so, and just let it fall into the sink for each. Careful not to touch anything. You can use your knee now to turn the sink off. Keep your hands and elbows upright above, like this, so that you don't contaminate yourself or anyone else. At this point, we would walk into the procedure room and we would follow standard PPE, donning your gloves and gown. Watch our other video on donning sterile gloves and a sterile gown. So I'm going to keep my hands and elbows up as so, and you can just use your backside to open the button into the procedure room.
Thanks for watching.